Good morning everyone. Here we have today's load. We're in Derby in the Kimberley region of Western Australia, a little under 2,500 kilometres from Perth. Today's load is a Caterpillar 16M grader. It's approximately 3.2 metres wide and weighs about 28 tonnes. This machine has been out on Koolan Island. It's about 140 kilometres off north of Derby, off the coast. One of the richest hematite iron ore mines in the world. You can see that it's been out by the ocean. She's quite extensively rusty in various areas. It's going back to Perth for a refurbishment. Trailer is spread to 3.3 metres today. Gets the grader comfortably on the deck. Derby's also where the start of the famous Gibb River Road is. Very tough four-wheel drive track, especially in summertime because that's the wet season and it gets washed away. Once again, you can see the extent of the rust on the cab, around the cab. The ocean is not very friendly to iron. Got the rippers up on the gooseneck there. And there we have it. That's today's load. Thanks for watching.